boards. You love surfing, but you don't know how to. Okay, so boards are designed to turn. That's its number one function. Everything's engineered around turning. Unless you're riding a learn-to-surf board, in which case it's long to go in a straight line, no turning circle, it's wide for stability, and the rails at the bottom are flat and square, so you can't alone. Those learn-to-surf big black boards are not designed for surfing really. They're only designed for balance, so that when the wave pushes you, you can stand up and say that you're surfing. But you're not really surfing, you're just trying to balance. Okay, so let's break down the board there. Why is the white pointing in the middle? Any idea? Why does the white point always kind of sit in the middle of the board? Any ideas?
Stability?
Yeah. Okay, so when you stand on the board, the white points under your front foot. Now let's think about the everyday movements that we do. Okay, kick a soccer ball, balance on the front foot, okay, kick, bang. Right, so you get stability with the front foot. You throw a punch, balance on the front foot, bang. Hit a golf ball, balance on the front foot, swing through. So all of our balance is centered over the front foot when you drive our hip through. So it makes sense that the widest part of our board is on the front foot. Makes sense, everyone? Okay. Now add to that, when the water flows past the white point, the water starts to follow the curve of the rail and pushes in, which makes the board turn. So think about it. This is our little wave here. We're going up to the Rio. As we go past the white point, the board can pivot and ride back down with the white point. Okay? Why do we have round rails and square rails?
Water flow?
Sorry?
Water flow?
Hold and release.
Yeah, hold and release. Okay? You see my podcast or you read the podcast?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so hold and release. So let me ask you, which one's hold, which one releases? How does that work?
Weight distribution?
That's more technique. I'm kind of asking you, how does the round rail work? Why is it round in front? And why is it square on the back? Any ideas?
Square holds it?
Okay, so everyone agree with that? Yes? No?
I would have to, wouldn't it?
Words?
Well, we think that square section at the end is going to have some hold until you have it on such an angle where that's out of the water and it.
Okay, so let's do a little science experiment. So let me get my iPad up and running. Do you know if that's on, Chris?
It should be ready to go.
Okay. So all I'm doing is I'm challenging your ideas on what you thought surfing was. And I'm asking relevant questions. Okay, so what I've done over here, if you guys can see that, okay? Oh, crap, let me do that again. Is that playing now? So have a look at that experiment that I did up there. So can you see on the round rail that the water's following the curve of the rail? So the water's almost sucking to the rail. So to my mind, that would be hold. But where you got the edge, and that's just a cardboard, I think, milk bottle. Okay? Look at how the water flows straight off the edge. So what happens is that edge acts like a knife and it cuts the water, and the water can't hold on to it, just goes straight off it. But on the round part of it, the water sucks to it like a vacuum, and that's where you get hold from. So think about this. Have you guys ever gone for a cutback? And as you're in your cutty, the front foot slips out. Does that ever happen? It's always the back foot that releases and slides out. The back, correct. Okay. So, what edge does? Edge slices the water apart and gives you a release. Like the round part does, that gives you a hold. So that means when you're standing on the front foot, on the widest part of the board, where we get balance, we also get hold. And if you want the tail to release, just put a bit of pressure on the back and slices the water apart. and you can throw your fingers and release your tail. Okay, so in surfboards, the further up the edge is on your board, the more your board might tend to slide out and release. The further back your edge is on the board, the more hold you have, and the better that will ride polar waves. Are you clear on that? Does that make some sense? Yeah? Okay, you understand your board better now?
Yep.
Right, is that the opposite of what you thought? Yes.
I kind of knew that, but yeah, it's hard to get head around it.
Yeah. Okay. So think about it this way. Which works better? If you roll the ball on the ground, it rolls quite well, but roll a brick, like try roll that, it doesn't like to roll. Okay. So the more curve you have in your board, the better the board turns. Okay. So on the back half of your board, that's more like a brick. It doesn't want to roll. Whereas the front half rolls really well. So if we're surfing down the line, we want our board to do two things. We want it to hold on the bottom turn, yet release off the top turn. So how do we get something that's shaped the same to react differently? Any ideas? We have to try two different techniques. Okay, so this is where it gets interesting and kind of obvious. If you ride a bicycle really fast, so if you're going down this hill and you want to take a right hand turn over here, how do you turn the bicycle?
Lean.
Yeah. What happens if I twist the handlebars? I mean, you should. Okay, so we know that with speed, you use leaning to turn. But what happens if you're going really slowly? Carry on this little path over here, there's an old Grand Zimmer frame, and we want to go around it. What happens if we lean? It's going to fall over. So then we have to use the twist. We twist the handlebars to go around it. So the same principle applies in surfing. The faster we go, the more we start tending towards leaning. Whereas the slower we go, the more we tend towards using our twists. Okay, so if we dropped into a wave and we go down to the bottom, we've got speed from that gravity when we dropped into that wave. If we want to hold on the bottom turn, we're going to lean. We're going to roll over, we're going to engage this rail, and we're going to get weightless. Okay, and that leaning over and getting weightless allows us to drive up the top of the wave. But now, as we're going up the wave, we start to lose speed. So we're going uphill against gravity. If we're going too slow and we try to lean, we're just going to catch around and fall off. So we're going to rotate and twist, come down again. Okay, so the leaning gives us our hold, the twisting gives us our release. Okay, so we've got two basic movements in surfing. We've got leaning and twisting. And the third movement that we have in surfing is compressing and extending. So if I want to go up there, I might have to compress and extend to get that lift. Or if I want to cover distance, I might need to compress and extend to cover the distance. So that compressing and extending makes us explosive and helps us give us our movement. But the leaning and the twisting helps us to see where we want to go, and that's our turns. Does that make sense to everyone? Good. Okay, so who knows what the differences in tails and how tails work? Any ideas? So which one, out of the three tails, you get a swallow's tail, a square tail, and a round tail. Which one turns the best?
Square tail.
Correct.
Depends on your need. Like the most responsive or
Give me such a big hint here. Roll that thing, comes and turn well, and roll well.
could turn sharper, couldn't it? It's got a square edge.
So, yes, it's certainly. Which one turns the best?
Round tail?
Round tail, yes. You know why?
Obviously, no.
So what's the shortest distance between 2 points? Is probably no. Think of it best way to explain it to you. Okay, so if I do a straight line to there, the water would have to flow right to the end of the straight line before it could break and turn. Okay, whereas with the round tail, the water starts turning a lot earlier. Okay, so as the water starts turning in, it makes the board looser and more turn better. So the more parallel your rail line is, the faster the water flow is, the faster your board's going to be, but the worse it's going to turn. The more curve you have in the outline of the board, the better it's going to want to rotate and turn, but the slower the board is. Does that make some sense to it? Good. Right, so what's confusing is that shapers generally put round tails on bigger boards. Now, the reason why you do that is when you're running big surf, there's an abundance of speed and power. So you're not trying to create the speed, you're trying to control it. Now, the faster you go, the more water is traveling underneath the board. So in order for you to turn, you have to displace more water. That means the faster you go, the stiffer your board gets. So by you putting a round tail on a big wave board, you reduce the amount of surface area, which makes the board roll onto rail easier. You eliminate that straight outline, replacing with a curvy outline, again, which makes your board turn easier. So by putting a round tail on a bigger board, it's like giving it power steering. Now, if we go to fishes, you're generally running a fish in a small wave. So when you're surfing a small wave, there's not a lot of speed and a lot of power. So you need to get as much lift and push. So you generally give it a wider tail, so the wave can lift the tail up easier. Give it a flatter tail, so it gets more lift from the wave. And you give it a more parallel outline. So as you got the lift, the board accelerates really, really quick. And the fact that the fish is quite a small board gives it a tighter turning circle. Does that make sense to everyone?
You can't.
So, yes. Now those squash tails kind of a happy medium between the swallowtail and the round tail. It's that in between. If you can't afford 3 boards, you're probably going to do this with a squash tail as your all-round board. Okay, there's a little bit of everything. Cool. Any other questions on board that I can answer for you guys? Without getting too complicated, let's just keep it simple because we've got a lot to get through. But those are the basic things that you've got to understand. You're going to go like that. I'm going to say the mental-wise. Feels good, but it's a round tail, which means it's going to probably handle the speed well. And when I'm going really fast, it's going to be able to turn easy. Okay. I'm not going to go, oh, it's a round tail. I'm going to go surf half a foot snap on a south swell. I'm going to sink. Okay, so it's going to feel slow, it's going to feel gutless, it's going to feel crap. If I take this board to dimensionalize, it's going to come to life, it's going to roar, it's just going to be insane. It's going to handle the power well, it's going to turn well in the pocket, it's going to ride the barrel well. Does that make sense to you guys? So when you pick it up, you know what you're buying.